What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco done. Yeah, we're back in the building, guys, and you see from the title what we're reacting today. Today we reacted to one of my favorite channels, Beta Squad. Reacting to Beta Squad today. They're doing blind dating girls based on their outfits, featuring Philly, also one of my favorite squad members. So we're gonna check this out. Let's get it. YouTube gang, you already know what time it is, guys. You already know it's your boy Jambisco done, back in the building on our banger or on a smash video. You already know what time it is. Yeah guys, today we're reacting to Beta Squad, blind dating girls based on their outfits, featuring Philly. Yeah, you know Beta Squad got some really entertaining videos, you know what I'm saying? One of my favorite channels to watch and react. So guys, bring you a special treat today. If you're new to the channel, you know what time it is, and you know what to do. Go ahead and like and subscribe and become one part of the littest gang, the littest mafia, the littest family on YouTube. You don't know that mafia. We out here, we strong out here, we growing, and we ain't stopping, guys. Yeah, we're acting the Beta Squad, blind dating girls based on their outfits. You feel me? So yeah, this should be a very interesting one. Should be very funny, very entertaining. Beta Squad never, you feel me? Beta Squad never really, they never really miss, ain't it? Yeah, so we're gonna check out Beta Squad, blind dating girls based on their outfit, featuring Philly, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really entertaining, guys. Drop your comments in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want me to react to next. I'll definitely get it done. You know, and let me know if you enjoy this type of content, so I can bring y'all more and keep y'all entertained. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're going up. Roll to 10K, guys. Hit that subscribe button. You already know we jump around. Beta Squad, blind dating girls based on their outfits. Let's get it.
Today on Beta Squad, we are pushing love at first sight to its limits. No more waffling. Let's put our friend to the test.
And that man is Young Philly! It's him!
Bro, I love the Beta Squad, bro. I love the Beta Squad. I love UK YouTube. You feel me? And also Philly, also one of my favorite members out of Beta Squad. You know what I'm saying? This dude real funny, really loud, really just like, you know what I'm saying? He says his mind a lot, you know what I'm saying? So I really mess with the Beta Squad and Philly, you feel me? Even Chunks, you know what I'm saying?
Go now? Yeah, go.
Yeah, man, it's your boy Young Philly, and today I am taking part in Beta Squad's blind dates. So with that being said, enough of the talking, let's bring them out.
Beta Squad are gonna play Cupid by trying to find our friend Philly love. The twist is, the girls are hidden behind a curtain, and round by round will slowly raise the curtain to...
This is some shallow shit. Let's just get that out of the way. We're dating girls basing out. This is some shallow ass shit. Let's just get that out of here. Let's be clear. You feel me?
Feel the girls that may take Philly's heart.
But it's also fun.
So another twist. Philly doesn't get to pick who goes through each round. We do. By wingmanning from another room and deciding what girls will get rejected. Let's see if we can find.
Nah, that's not fair. That's not fair, bro. You feel me? I thought I'm the one looking at them. I'm the one going on dates. So how I don't get to choose? You gonna let my friends control? Like Philly would say, my friends are dickhead, bruv. They're a dickhead, bruv. I know what they're gonna do, you feel me?
And Philly true love.
Alright, hey Philly, it's now time for you to remove whatever that's on your face.
Do you know what though? I feel the energy in this room.
If AJ was doing this, he'd be able to see under.
No. They're gonna have that. Personally, I wouldn't.
Offer it, we can't deal with no girl with dirty shoes, you feel me?
Okay, round of applause.
And if the shoes is kind of dirty,
everybody...
this might sound a bit, how do you say? It might sound like the thing that they do in track and field. You know what I'm saying? When you're pro that thing, you know what I'm saying? But a dirty shoes girl, bro, I can't do it. And they usually suggest one race, but I'm not even gonna get into that. We all know who that is. Stop playing.
Done.
We're going to ask for names and ages, ladies. We're going to start with White Air Force from left to right, yeah?
Hi Philly, I'm Tasneema and I'm 21 years old.
Oh, hi Tasneema. That's an amazing name. What country are you from, Tasneema?
Bangladesh.
My family's from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, he knows everything.
What, and you was born here though?
I am from New York.
All right then.
Yeah.
American joints.
Say, do you want to see my big apple?
Do you want to see my big apple?
Let's put a pause on that for
All
now.
right, then, just for now.
Hold on a little bit.
Yo.
Lady next to her, please state your name and your age.
Hola, papi.
Oh! Philly's in love. Philly's in love. Philly's in love already.
My name is Carmen. I'm 19.
I'm not a big fan of Spanish girls. I do not cancel me, guys. Do not get mad. I'm not a big fan of Hispanic women. I think they're a bit overrated. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, guys. Do not be mad at me. For me, I have your preferences. I have mine. Right? Now, I think Spanish women are a bit overrated. I think y'all guys, black men, they love yourself a bit more. Y'all get too, y'all hear, hola, papi. Y'all love every culture except your own. Y'all need to get it together, man.
20 in April. I'm half Hungarian and Grenadian.
Okay.
Make your mind
Where
up.
did the hola, papi
She
come
did
from?
that. That's research. She did research.
Spanish at all?
Blue Jean, state your name and your age.
Hi, I'm Holly and I'm 24 and I'm from just outside of Liverpool.
Liverpool.
I like the accent, Holly.
Thanks.
Lovely accent.
She speaks a different language.
What are they? Are they Rick Owens?
A what?
No, the next girl, not you, Holly.
I can't understand.
Yes, Philly, they are.
Okay, all right. State your name, state your age.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm 20 and I'm Jamaican, Algerian and French.
Wow.
What?
You know your length by default.
She has 3 parents.
By default.
Jamaican.
All right, then definitely
Algerian,
forgot all first four
German,
names, but we move. Last but not least, state your name and your age.
Hi, I'm Kendra. I'm 19.
Jamaican, I guess I get it. We're all over the world, guys, but you know we can't be just a mix with kids with everything. Maybe one, another real. But come on, man, y'all just be mixing with everything. It'll just be much out here. 100 different blood lead heritage areas. Come on.
19 and I'm from Liverpool.
That's 2 Scousers.
All right then. What is everybody's icks?
Feel got on some nice dunks though, bro. I feel you. You know what I'm saying?
We'll start with you. Number 1.
My icks in guys are when they're too vulgar. I don't think I've ever met a man who doesn't swear.
What, you don't like a man that swears?
No.
Yeah, I can't lie.
That jacket is hard, bro. Philly, where you got that jacket, bro?
My thing, I
Or is
just
it a
I
peacoat,
like
bro?
nice guys. They gotta be a little wholesome, you know?
yeah, already know what I'm doing, and because I just talk, and sometimes it comes out. But okay.
Quality of the fabric on that jacket, bro. Where you got that jacket, fam?
Okay, number 2. What is your ick?
Being broke. Take me to Dubai on our first date, babe.
I'll be real, Phils. Let's just get this party started.
Gold digger. Dubai first day you want it.
You gotta kiss that toe.
Huh?
Hey, I just say horror to me if they're horror.
Sorry, girls. Technical difficulties with the mics.
Hilarious, guys. Come on, who y'all choosing so far? Just of what y'all heard. Just of what
so
y'all
sorry,
heard
what was your ick?
and what
Sorry,
y'all
one more time.
seen. Who y'all
Being
choosing
broke.
first?
You need to take me to Dubai
Yo,
on our
what
first
the
date.
hell? Is that even comfortable? Why do women wear heels? Her toes look like they've been, holy shit. Nah, bro. Her toes look like it's been smashed, like somebody put it in against like the food process, like what the hell? Like a hydraulic press.
Really, she's got to go by default.
Number 3. What's your ick?
Not gonna lie, mine are a bit more specific than the other girls. Like the thought of a man chasing after something that he's dropped, like a coin, that makes me feel sick. Or like
What?
running up the stairs on all fours, that makes me want to die.
Running upstairs on all fours makes me want to die. No, some of these icks are funny.
Running up the stairs on all fours?
Yeah, like.
No, if man them are doing that, you need to check yourself.
No,
Do you know how
absolutely.
crazy that is?
That's
Bro, so wait, they're using their hands and feet to get up the stairs?
Yeah, like a dog. Like I've seen that
You've
happen.
dated some wild ones.
This is TikTok gal, that's it, TikTok ick gal.
Number 4, what is your ick?
Someone that can't maintain the same energy.
You can't speak, what are you talking about?
She growled. You know, she growled.
People that what?
Don't introduce me to a vibe that you can't maintain.
Oh, okay. So basically, if I'm moving one way on the text, make sure I'm like that in the flesh.
Yeah, like keep the same energy in real life. Like don't change about next to your man them.
All right, last but not least, number 5. What's your ick?
My biggest ick is someone who doesn't drive. Like, why haven't you got a driving license?
AJ!
I can't lie, there is some high maintenance gal here. Can't be broke. If you ain't got a whiz, I ain't rolling. I can't be my free spirit and go up the stairs with my hands. Okay, so it's time for me to make a decision.
All right, Philly. In this series, we actually decide who we're picking and not you.
Yeah, not you.
So, sorry, my friend. We're gonna decide.
He hates that.
All right, cool, guys. Let's talk.
All right. For me, I'm gonna say number 4. She couldn't get her words out first, and then her reason was about a vibe that you can't maintain.
Yeah.
I didn't like that.
She can't speak.
Yeah, the English wasn't Englishing.
Yeah, but there's two people who literally can't speak English, and they're the 2 people from Scousland. So.
And we know how we feel about.
Yeah. So I'd say
7-0.
That literally happened 3 years ago. And you're still
That's
thinking
crazy.
crazy.
What you do, broski, yeah? Go show the person that you want us to go out.
Alright, cool. The boys have told me to ask this because this is gonna base the decision. So starting
Wait.
Let him land.
So starting from obviously left to right, can everyone just say their shoe size, please?
So in American sizes, I'm a size 6. I don't know what that translates to.
That's about a 5. Alright, cool. Next.
I'm a size half 4.
4.
Half 4, yeah.
Alright, next.
I'm a size 5.
Next.
Size 2.
Next.
6.
Sorry, what size was that last one?
6.
Oh, Philly's dread.
That's dread.
Them guys got long foot.
Long foot 6, eh? A size 6, you ain't that bad though. You know? Size 6 is not that bad.
Sorry, girls. The cameraman made a joke.
All right, tell him Nico.
Is
said
that a
them guys got long
UK
foot.
6? If it's a UK 6, that's
Nico
different.
said you've got long foot, size 6.
Go. Say that.
Call me Trevor.
I know.
Nigga say long foot gal. That shit is hilarious. That's something we would say in Jamaica, bro. Like, for real. Like, it's really true.
I don't sound biased, brother. I got
Long foot
size
gal.
13 feet. I am on foot.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'8.5".
You're 5'8.5".
With that being said, I think you know what you need to do and who needs to go.
So, ladies, just so you know, it's not me making the decisions and saying a lot of the things. But number 5, the boys have decided to eliminate you.
What jacket is that, fam?
Hi.
Oh, wow,
Whoa.
you are stunning.
Well, from nevertheless on my
Wow,
side,
you are
look.
so pretty.
Thank you.
What country you from?
Sierra Leone and Irish.
Sierra Leone. What?
Oh, that's all you.
Big up.
What?
Country. Lovely to meet you.
No, she from Sierra Leone, bro. That's Africa. That's where the blood diamonds come from, bro. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, dog. Guys, y'all see it. She a baddie. The only thing I don't like is them lip fill shit, bro. I hate those lip fillers, bro. Y'all look like ducks with that shit. And you don't even need that because you're a pretty girl, bro. Like, but damn, though. His friends messed him up, bro. That's one of the... She fine, though. She got style, bro. Good pants.
Take
She got
care.
a dunk
You are
song.
stunning. Wow.
Look there.
And you
Nice shirt. Belly button and show up, thumb up flat. All them thing there. Y'all look good, man.
smell good. And you dress nice. And you
You're
have nice
nice.
skin.
You're
And I like the
falling in
arm
love
tap.
with-
And I like your
Nice.
bracelets. I just like you. All right.
Y'all messed my dog Philly up, bro. She was bad. She was exotic.
Philly, put your blindfold back
Damn,
on, you weirdo. It's time for the next phase.
Number 4.
How you gonna
her
top
setup,
that?
if you
Everything
look at the way
else
her hands
seems.
are,
Yeah, that's a scrappy.
they
That's a
body
wood
not
though.
even
Alright, Kenny, I reckon she's got you in the
Blue
jab.
jeans gotta go. You shape like a stick figure. You feel me? You gotta go. I don't care how good your personality is. You gotta play.
Okay, Philly, please take your blindfold off.
That's crazy, though. They say one of the finest women out there.
It's mad, isn't it? Legs change everything, blood. All right. So everyone.
That's crazy. Blue jeans gotta go. Blue jeans got to go. Girl over there in the black, though, the tat on the arm looking sexy. I ain't gonna cap to you. Girl in the dress, you look nice. Girl in the camel shorts, I don't like you dress. You dressing like you slouch. You got your two hands at your side like this. Look like you slouch. So I know it's between number 2 and number 4, bro. But I think they sent on the best girl already, bro. Damn.
Everyone just be frank
She
with
was
me.
fine
Who's
as
on
shit.
what? Who's
And
on
she from
Clartin and who's
Sierra
on just
Leone,
grabbing
she
a
from
man?
Africa.
Just let me know.
You know, he's so reckless.
Honestly, I'm looking for something serious, someone
I
who's
would've went in them caves, bro, find them niggas, bro, shoot all of them, got me a blood diamond and came and proposed, my guy. I don't give a damn, bro. Kanye can be mad all y'all want. Y'all can be mad at me all y'all want, bro, but I'm going to Sierra Leone. I'm getting one of them blood diamonds and I'm proposing. She was that bad, bro. She was that.
willing to have a genuine connection and good conversation. So let me know if that's you, Philly.
Well, yeah, that's not Philly.
So you
Everything
come
after
on
this
this
is a waste of
YouTube
time
show
in
to
my
find something serious. Good for you. So
You
number
feel me?
2.
I already said I'm the best.
Nah. No.
I'm wifey material, so he can only clout with.
You know, he's so reckless.
Honestly, I'm looking for something serious.
Please take your blindfold off.
That's crazy, man. I gotta pull this up, bro. She was.
It's
Oh my
mad,
God.
isn't it? Legs change everything, blood. All right. So everyone just be frank with me. Who's on what? Who's on
between 2 or 4.
Clartin and who's on just grabbing a man? Because just let me know.
You know, he's so reckless.
Honestly, I'm looking for something serious, someone who's willing to have a genuine connection and good conversation. So let me know if that's you, Philly.
Well, yeah, that's not Philly.
So you've come on a YouTube show to find something serious. Good for you. So number 2.
yo.
No.
I'm wifey material,
That's
so
crazy.
he can only
That
clout
is-
with.
That is wild, Philly. That is wild and mean, bro. I can't believe you just said that now. But he's kind of right, though. He came on a YouTube show to find something serious. That's crazy, bro. That's wild. Like, if y'all really come on these shows expecting to find love and a real committed relationship, you got more problems than just this video. You know what I'm saying? But if you came here to have fun, you know what I'm saying, and it just so happened to turn into something serious, kudos. Good for you. You know what I'm saying? But also, I get worse, you know. You get a girl where she's saying she coming for something serious because, you know, a girl say I come here just to have fun. That don't sound too good either. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? So, I guess I know why she's saying, yo, she came here for something serious. Because if she says she here for fun, that don't sound much better. Because now it's going to sound like she sleeps around and she sounds like a whore. So, but yeah, guys.
He's my man and he wifes me.
Yeah, wrong show, man. Wrong show.
Wrong show.
Love Island, man. I'll be honest.
You sound disappointed by the first 2 answers, but same, to be honest. I'm here for the long run, not for a little fling.
Okay, fair enough. Last one.
Wow.
Realistically, it's a YouTube video, so you're not really going to find out if you're alive.
Yo, I fuck with you. I fuck with you. She is. Whoo.
Oh, I love her!
I'm more of a go with the flow, so if you want to...
She got a little shape.
If you don't...
Got the bodysuit on.
Wow! Wow, I'd
That
love to just
tattoo.
hug you. Can I hug you? Just through here. Yeah. Oh my God, you are brilliant. Even this hug, it's a proper good one, you know. Yeah, you are brilliant.
Phils, can you just ask there, yeah? Just say, yeah, out of curiosity.
Number 4,
yeah,
hands down. And if your
do you
friends
shave or do you
don't
not
do
shave?
that for you, bro, they are some
Oh my
hate
God.
niggas, bro. If your friends don't let you go, if your friends don't let you leave with number 2 or number 4, Philly, you need new friends. Yeah, you need new friends. And they need to change the name of the Beta Squad to Faker Squad. Because they fake friends, bro. They are fake friends.
Curiosity,
Y'all already sent home the baddest, bro. You feel me? You should have known. You see a girl in camel pants, dog, and some sneakers. You know she got some sort of drip. You know what I'm saying?
Let's switch up. Let's make it more lighthearted.
Yeah, because this is mental.
Really ask them what their favourite song is.
okay, all right. This is gonna let me know whether we can get on as mates. As much as the first 3 are looking for relationships, I do think it's important to have a mate in yours. So, what is everyone's current favorite song?
So my favorite song, I'm a big Afrobeats fan.
Yes, love
and
that.
so one of my favorite artists is Burna Boy.
Burna Boy.
We like
And right
Burna.
now, It's Plenty is just going through my head right now.
Number 2, what's your current favorite song?
Under the Influence, Chunks can tell you all about that song.
Wait, what?
Good
So
one. See what
that's
you done there,
Chunks
like
girl.
she understood the assignment. Number 3.
I'm on a different vibe, to be honest. I like a bit of Britney Spears. Anything Britney is my
No,
favorite.
no, she's a psycho, bro.
Hit me, baby,
She
one more
is
time.
a psycho, bro. In 2023, and you like Britney Spears? Oh, hell nah. You got to go. You shit bud anyway. So, anybody like Britney Spears, yeah, you're shit bud, bro. In 2022, you like Britney Spears, bro? Out of all the music that's come out since then, all the upgrades and improvements that's made to music since then, all them bangers and people talented since then, and you want to tell me, say Britney Spears are your favorite artist in 2020? You something wrong with you. As they were saying, Bakersfield, you are mental, bruv. Absolutely mental, bruv.
Exactly.
Okay, number 4. What is your current favorite song?
Irregular Love by Lil TJ.
All right, Philly, last question.
What?
Ask them, what is an ideal?
Lil TJ? Bro, you in UK listening to TJ, bro. Lil T. Alright, shout out Lil TJ, bro. Shout out Lil TJ, bro. You know what I'm saying? The girls fuck with you, bro. Even in UK, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Lil TJ, Lil TJ is a New York drill rapper. You know what I'm saying? But hey, all the way UK, bro, you getting love, bro.
Ideal date for them.
All right, ladies, what is an ideal date for you guys?
So my ideal date would be, I am a big foodie and I love exploring different cultures through food. So we can either be in London or New York and go on a food tour, checking out different cultural food spots.
I like a foodie.
And
You feel me? I like
we
a
end the
foodie.
night
That's a
with
big
bit
plus
of
though. I like a girl that
dancing.
that can
Yeah.
eat and
Your
eat
sauce
good
is
food.
not bad. It's
You know
good.
what I'm
I love
saying?
this. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's alright.
Number 2?
A helicopter ride over New York.
Who ride?
A helicopter ride.
Sorry, wait, one more
A
time.
helicopter
Fucking hell.
ride.
This girl is the
not
bougiest
that-
girl of all time.
Expensive but first date, no.
later on.
Oh. So what's that? I'll ride you later on. You just...
And it's okay, just deny. Each other love it, man. You know what I mean?
I just like something where we can get to know each other, like we can make conversation, mini golf, roller skating, something fun like that.
I like to do
Oh, I like her.
like
She's
going
actually
trampolining or getting to know each other, chill vibe, you know?
Yeah, I like that. Activities.
Damn,
Yeah,
she
activities,
is. I
type of
had
stuff.
2,
Activities.
bro.
All right.
Bro, if they don't
I
let you
think
leave
it's
with
time
number
for me
4,
to make a
Philly, your
decision.
friends do
No,
not
we're
like
not
you.
making
Making the decisions, we make the decisions
Shush,
around
man.
here, mate.
Well, I don't even get like last 2, nothing.
Nah.
No. Let us decide. We'll be back.
All right, boys, talk to me.
I feel it. You feeling the jeans with the toes poking out them?
Based on vibes, yeah?
Based on vibes,
Sailing to the top now.
Blue Jeans gotta go. Oh, guys, that movie was really good. Y'all need to check out that movie, but that's not what we're talking about right now.
Yeah, I think number 1's got more energy.
I like 1, 2, and 4.
Yeah.
3, the blue jeans,
3
yeah.
for me. She hasn't given much.
She looks like Homer Simpson's jeans. I like it. Just get stuff.
Blue Jeans got to go, bro. Off looks. Or vibe was strange, bro, but just off looks alone. Being shallow.
I'll be going out is number 3.
Bro, Blue Jeans gotta go, bro. You feel me? Her vibes was bad, but before I even seen her vibes, heard her vibe, felt her vibes, just off looks, that jeans, nigga, you gotta go, bro. Why you wearing blue dad jeans as a woman, bro? You feel me? Blue dad niggas have made so many strides to upgrade their jeans game and jean style, bro. Just for you to go back in the bloody 19th century and put out some dad plumber type blue jeans, bro. What is wrong with you, lady? And then you got a body like a stick figure. You know what I'm saying? What is wrong with
All
you?
right, ladies, the panel has
She's
decided
got
that
to
the
go.
next lady...
No,
to-
actually,
do
Philly, wait.
not
Can you
get rid
please
of that girl?
specify
Yeah,
that it was
Philly.
actually
I hate y'all for
Chunks who decided
not so
himself?
good friends.
This one we have a bit of a twist. Chunks specifically voted this girl out. Number 3, can you please step aside? Hi, you okay?
I'm good, how are you? You don't like Britney Spears now?
I do love Britney Spears. Didn't you hear me singing? I love Britney.
Skinny.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She's pretty
you got to
though.
remember, I don't make the decisions. I will say though, your eyebrows.
She's
are
pretty, but
flipping
she
amazing.
is
Yeah.
a typical
Good eyebrows.
Emphasize it.
mayonnaise.
Yeah,
person.
but it was
That's all I'm saying.
definitely Chunks.
She's flat.
Yeah,
Okay.
it
No
definitely was.
real shape, you know what I'm saying? She's got to go, man.
Revenge!
You feel me? She's like food with no seasoning, bro.
All right, Philly, put your blindfold
That's the
on.
goal.
And just like Kenny after his first fight, it's time for the next phase.
Whoa! That was good. Well done.
I'll be working on that one.
All right, Philly, it is now time to take off your blindfold. I think you're going to enjoy this.
Bombaseed.
Blouse and skirts, chain around it as well, just to say hello.
Broski, get them to twist and turn, yeah.
All right, ladies, can you just do a 360 spin for me? 3, 2, yeah, there we go. Just do it. Just
now?
do it. Yeah, I just done it all wrong. Just
Oh,
spin.
shit.
Yeah, blouse and skirts.
Number one,
I'll
you
be
don't
honest,
stand a chance.
I
I'm
love
just-
my job. Can we
No
just
right
give
now.
myself a round of applause for loving my job?
Number one, you got to go. You made it far. I ain't gonna saying? It's not like we haven't seen your face yet or anything, but off body, bro, you not standing a chance right now. Number 4 still kind of got it, but you know, number 2 got that classy dress on. You know what I'm saying? That sexy. You know what I'm saying? So.
All right. What has been your worst dating experience?
And then
So I accidentally.
Number 4, that's turn up like a bad girl, dog. She look like a demons, bro. Oh man, that turn up, bro.
Went on a date with a friend. I thought we were just gonna catch up, get some ice cream. I go in with my sweats, and then he comes in really nice, slacks on, nice shoes.
But you can't really sleep on the slimmers, you know. Got the slimmers be. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, the slimmers be funny, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can't really sleep.
And then I didn't feel that way, so when we sat down, I put my mask on because it was still like high COVID season in case he tried anything, you know?
That's not that bad though. So what, basically you're saying your friends from ages just tried to chat you up on the one that was a bit...
But I draw a line between friendships and, you know, anything else, so that was just not it for me.
Okay, fair enough. Number 2, aka Miss Helicopter, take me in that, can see why though. Yeah, no, she's a G. All right, cool, what's your worst dating experience?
I can see why.
I went on a date.
I can see why she requested a helicopter ride. She looks good. I'm pretty sure niggas have done shit like that for her. Similar, in that, if not that exact thing, but in that realm. I can see why. She looks good. There gonna be some simp ass niggas out there that gonna spend a lot of money on the first date. Not that you know, she looks good. She look like, you know, you want to treat her nice and spend some money, but on the first day I'm not doing no helicopter ride. But the way she look, they're pretty sure there's niggas out there that simp and do some shit like that.
With a guy who was foreign and I couldn't understand what he was saying, so there was literally zero communication. Yeah, I don't really have bad experiences with dates. I choose wisely.
No, why is she talking like that though?
Are you concentrating, Philly?
Yeah, I am. You got a strong stance though, it's the stance. Number 4.
Bro, I'm telling you, number 4, bro, they with his son up, dog. Like, oh yeah, turn up, bro. Like, yo, turn up bad. I don't know.
What's your worst dating experience?
Me and
like the way you stand, the way a girl stand is like very important, bro. Like, yeah, number 2, number 4, they got that stand, bro. Number 4 looks like
someone that doesn't look what they look like in pictures.
I don't think I look like my pictures though. I can't lie to you. Yeah,
man, and then she's twirling her fingers all cute and shit, bitch. Hey, girl, I know what you're doing, a dog. Stop playing. Fuck you, right? That's in front of everybody. Be yourself.
Yeah, I don't think I do. I don't think no one really does. Don't you think?
I feel like people look better in real life.
She got these tattoos, bro, which is fire. Pretty well done. You're gonna need to connect and shade around this shit because it seems unfinished. But the tattoos, the details of each tattoo is fire. No cap.
But this one wasn't it.
I asked them what they think about you.
What is your opinions on young Philly? Starting with number 1.
Philly, I love your energy. I love what you do, and my favorite part about you is how family-oriented you are. Your relationship with your mother is...
She really watches... No, round of applause for her. She really watches me. That's true. You gotta watch me hard to know how much I love my mom.
I just love...
That's crazy.
How you talk about your mother, and someone who respects a woman like that, respects their mother like that, is gonna respect their wife down the line. So I respect you a lot in the work you do.
That was very nice. That was very nice. Yeah, that was so nice. Number 2. Yeah, but when she started with
they're about to lie, nigga. They're making up shit, bro. They don't like shit about you, Philly. Straight though. Yeah, the prettier the girls, they're usually shallow and, you know, more self-centered they are, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately.
She don't know.
You don't know
She doesn't
shit.
I'm Game Warden Joe Pickett. I'm gonna need to see your license.
I'm still thinking.
Say how you feel, too.
I'm still thinking.
Don't try and think of something nice. Just say how you feel.
2 is nice.
To be honest, I like
nice
how
too.
like your height.
It's like they're sisters, bro. I feel like they
I swear he should. I'll be real with you. That's a cute.
Because I can tell you what to do and you can't get loud to me.
No, do you know what? Do you know what? You lot take this in, yeah. Sorry, I got to cut you off quickly because I don't. I'm gonna give you another chance to. I don't really like the way you started. It hurt my feelings.
You're so cute, Philly, man. Oh, look at you, man.
So out of all the things...
I don't really know anything more about you, I'm sorry, babe, but we can get to know each other.
Okay.
I love your laugh, because I feel like I have a goofy laugh myself, and people call it weird, but I feel like because you're so outgoing, and you're just not afraid to express who you are, and I also watch your YouTube with Chunks and Harry Pinero.
Jeez, pick up the man then.
Can you please just approach each girl, just hold their hands and just don't say anything?
Can I hold your hands for a second?
Yeah, go for it.
Say basically in my country, what we do is just to test to see if we're in love with someone, we need to smell your hands.
Yeah, so basically in my country, what we do to see if we can potentially fall in love with someone, we rub.
Okay.
Rub the side like that,
Okay.
and then kiss each. Wow, your hands smell.
I know.
What is that? Helicopter. Yeah, so I've got a lovely view here.
This sounds mental from our side. Alright, tell number 4 that you've got a slap fetish and you wanted to slap you in the face.
No. Sorry, did I see it on your hand? I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. Nico, are you sure?
What does he want you to do?
Say, this is what I want to do.
No, this is what I want to do.
Thank
so
you.
I'm gonna I have a slap fetish.
Okay. So we slap you then?
Yeah, just from there.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah, but a little bit harder than that.
Okay.
No, a bit harder than that.
How hard do you want me to slap you?
I want it hard!
I want it hard!
You wanted it hard, so...
Yeah, but not babe, like hard with love.
El Philly, I want you to approach all the tattoos, give her your phone and say, put the number in.
You didn't say that.
Can I be real with you, yeah?
Crazy wrist.
That is the wrist of
Riz, dog. I ain't gonna cap top, bro. I'm taking that number for real, though. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. You feel me? I'm taking that number for real. For real. Bro, let me say, for real. Me, I take your number, bro. What? I don't care if this is a set,
That's my
bro.
phone.
All right, Philly, it is
Taking
now
that
time
number.
to vote
I'm
someone
pinning
out.
that up later.
But of course,
I don't give
the
a-
decision lies with us. So we'll be back in 3 seconds. Guys, what was it?
I'm gonna
Go
take
like
that.
that. Where you go to-
Number one. Number one.
While the boys are
Number
deciding
24,
who to
number
get
4,
rid of,
bro.
make sure you like the video
First one,
and
yeah,
subscribe.
eliminated, bro.
Brother,
I got it.
this
My
one has
management
come
team-
directly from King Kenny.
Talk to you guys, bro. This was me. The first one that got eliminated, my management team got to, bro. Y'all better get her back or y'all getting fired. I'm sorry. Somebody getting fired. So y'all better go get her number or something. Because that girl was Sierra Leone, bro. That is an African queen right there. That girl was beautiful, bro.
He has said he hates number one's outfit and he really needs her to leave the process as soon as possible.
He hates American people.
And he hates American people as well.
All right, so this decision was from King Kenny. He hates American people, so yeah. There's literally no other reason other than that. But it was Kenny that got rid of. Just come out here, give me a hug.
She's pretty, ain't it?
Oh my God,
She's pretty.
Thank you. I mean, I
Her
know.
face
I know.
is-
Your face is
I knew
stunning.
it.
Lovely to meet
She
you.
have a bad body, so
Thank
I
you
feel
so
like
much.
a
Watching me, it means a
Say
lot.
hi to your mom for me.
I will do. Bye-bye, take care.
Why? I'm telling her something, can't sleep on the slim ones, them, you know, dog. Only can't. She's so tiny, is. She ain't got the fat of that, but the face is pretty. The body's banging. The body's banging. You know, she ain't got ass and shit, but trust me, them gal are naked, bro. Different thing. Come on, man.
How you feeling, Kenny, man? Why'd you have to take her out, man?
Kenny, man.
Come on, Kenny.
Kenny, man.
Broski, it's time to put your blindfold on.
I'll be real. Whoever done the casting, well done.
Oh my.
Holy shit. Fuck. The girls with the best body have the worst face. Jesus Christ. Okay, number 4. Fuck. They got the best body, but they got the worst face. All the girls that got eliminated are prettier than these 2 girls, bro. Let's be real. Let's be real. Number 1 for shit show was prettier than both these girls. Number 2 for shit show was prettier than these girls. Okay? And the one that just got eliminated was prettier than these girls, bro. Buckley. The one in the dress looked like she got a pot cover face, y'all. The one in the black. What's wrong with you? You look like you're a stripper, ain't it? You look like a hoe. You feel me? Number 3, she ain't pretty. She look like she got treated good all her life because she light skinned and she got a good body. That's what it looks like for her. So that's why she talking about helicopter. It's not because she pretty or anything, but her body is banging. Everybody's doing equivalent what a pretty faces do for her. You know what I'm saying? So her body makeup for it. she's not ugly. You know, she just got a fat ass face. Just like a dumpling. Like, how the fuck you fight in your face? But anyway, she got a nice body, so I see what she talking about. And then also, number 4 got a nice body. They both got a nice body, so you know where they get their privilege from. Come on, man. Niggas trying to. But all the girls before.
Well, yeah, that means someone's buff. You see, for H to say, "Oh my," someone is legging the Ross.
Okay, Philly. You know what? You still can't take that blindfold off.
What?
Now you can. Now you can.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
And there he is.
Face-wise, I'm
Chaz,
disappointed.
Directly
I'm not gonna lie.
self-crowned
Face-wise,
pickleball
I'm
king.
disappointed.
Do you just bow down?
Oh my
no,
god.
you
If you could take
dethrone
the first girl face, bro.
the king.
One
Pedialyte,
from Sierra Leone,
3 times
put
the
it on.
electrolytes. Hydrate and feel better fast.
Her body was banging too. Her body
It completely
was
changes the structure of the face in just 2-3 months. Now there's the
take her face
Jazzerciser
and
is
put it
really
on
big in
any one of these
Hollywood.
girls.
Jazzerciser?
Yeah, they have these like
Any
things
one of
where
the
like
other girls
bouncy mouth.
that got eliminated first, take their face and put it on their body.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Hi, ladies. How's it going for you?
Yo.
Just feels right. Helicopter.
Hello.
Helicopter
gal.
They're both.
Okay.
How you feeling? Chat to me, man. Talk about your emotions right now.
I can't lie to you, you're both very pretty. Strong stances, strong faces.
What do you
She
think?
looks better.
Me?
when
Where's
she's
my
not
compliment?
smiling.
You're good looking, I can't lie.
Thank you.
Okay, you know, ask them. Where do you see this going from after if I pick you?
Jokes aside, where do we see this going after this if I pick one of you two?
Vibing, going to the spa.
She's pretty.
I'm on whatever
She's
you're on.
pretty. Well, she got a fat face.
I'm gonna go with the flow. Like, I'm on whatever you're on.
She's everything I've been looking for. She said,
I don't even know how to react to that. That's good, you know.
Ask her, would you eat ass on the first date?
Yo, what?
My
Kenny. No, bro. You guys are wild.
Would you eat arse on the first date?
Oh.
No.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
That one came from King Kenny.
Do you eat arse on the first date?
No, I've never eaten arse, you know.
What's the most unique thing about you that's not physical?
What is the most unique thing about you that is not physical?
How big my heart is.
Okay.
You bumbleclad. Don't come with that. Me can't see your heart. But damn.
Okay,
I feel like I have a lot to give out, and
when you
I'm
stand
just
up,
such a
Black.
thoughtful and caring person, and my
Stand up
friends
like a
can say
bad girl,
vouch for me
like.
too.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That I'm bilingual and I can speak a different language in your ear.
I also speak 2 languages too.
I speak 4.
This is like Lord of the Mics model version. Like it's just bar off the bar.
They're fighting over.
Yeah. Shit, bro. Keep man feeling.
Get to speak a different language in your ear.
So what language can you speak? Just out of curiosity?
Hungarian, yeah. Hodvaj.
Wow. I thought Hungarian sounded median until she whispered it.
Can I get her to whisper something in your ear, the next one?
Can you whisper something in my ear? Oh, wow. This is where the show starts getting real for me all of a sudden.
Philly, I want a quick test, right? I want to see which one cares for you. So can you please just pretend like you're dying right now, and then let's just see how they react.
Are you okay?
What's going on, Philly?
Do you want to CPR? Are you okay? Do you need water? Are you okay?
Black one came
Black.
first. Black one came first.
I need CPR.
Black. You're gonna break a rib
This
cage.
is the greatest! Oh my god, this is the greatest!
Say, I've got a boner.
Hold on, let me just tuck my thing in the waist, car.
Hey babes, I'll be
Black.
honest with you, you
I'm
lot just made
going
my
with
rocket
black.
launch.
Black. She might be a little bit hoe, but I feel like dress is just a stush hoe. You feel me? She one of them stushy. Oh, yeah, but I can't deal with that. Man, and drop down and he can't even come pick man up.
Said, babe, sorry.
Black Seymour Karen. She was right there. You need water. Black. Oh,
That
black.
was good. Sorry, I ruined it for you.
But black, you gotta take
All
care
right,
of your
it's
face
time for
better
me
than
to
that.
make a decision, and I'll be honest.
Okay,
I don't
baby
know
girl,
what to do.
you gotta get
You've
all those
both got
bumps
very
and
good
stuff
energy.
removed. If you're using makeup, you gotta chill out.
Have you not ever shaved
Gotta
before?
Take care of your skin, 'cause
Maybe.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, is that something you're willing to try?
Yeah.
You might have to grab both of them, I'll be honest.
All right then. So
Wait, I want to hear. What was the question?
sorry, I know I was meant to say that. Let me tell them the joke. He said, "Babe, sorry, but you just made my rocket launch." Hey, Harry, that was good. Sorry, I ruined it for you. All right, it's time for me to make a decision, and I'll be honest, I don't know what to do. You've both got very good energy. I don't know what to do. Have you lot ever shared before?
Maybe.
Yeah, is that something you're willing to try?
Yeah.
You might have to both of them, I'll be honest.
All right then, so ladies and gentlemen, I have made my decision and I've decided.
Both of them.
I'm taking both! I'm taking both! I'm taking both! I can't make a decision. I like both of the ladies. They both showed their care and affection towards me, so it's only right that I take both.
Oh, sorry, Philly, you need to stop right there. Information has just come in.
Yeah, bring them back.
Information has just come in from the Beta Squad studios.
Don't do this to the man.
You're only allowed to bring one.
Oh, you lot are
what?
violent.
You guys
Tell
are
them AJ said I
dickheads.
can't have two of them. So, yeah.
So AJ Shabil, like I'm snaking on anyone that's talking, yeah? He said I can't have both, so the decision I'm going to make has been finalized. I'm going to pick the lady that I felt showed me energy from the get-go.
Black.
And I feel like I'll
black.
have fun with her. So
I mean, dress is pretty. She gotta look classy.
There you go. It's all about happiness, man. It's all about happiness.
Black,
So number 2, thank you so much. Love you to meet you. Keep your skin nice, fresh, oily. And enjoy your helicopter rides.
Boy, you're a bad guy. You're a bad guy.
Congratulations, Philly.
They're skipping together. Oh, that's lovely.
I am happy with my choice because I picked someone that gave me energy right from the start. Please tell me you're on go-karting.
Yes, I am.
Done.
I love
See it there? We're going go-karting.
Play the trailer.
Today on Beta Squad, we're going to be ranking people from the tallest to the shortest.
Let's go!
What's going on?
Oh, he might be a little bit.
He's a shit. I'm happy.
Three,
My boy Philly.
2, 1, turn around. Oh my word!
Y'all did my boy Philly good. You feel me? I'm happy about that one. I'm happy about that one.
Today on Beta Squad.
Up Beta Squad. Yeah, I'm happy about that one. I like how that one turned out. Let me know what y'all think about that. Beta Squad, y'all did y'all thing. Philly, oh my days. Man, y'all could have let the men have both though, but damn, that was a hard decision because girl in dress, she was fine, she was pretty. You know, she could have been an undercover whore, you know what I'm saying? She could have been an undercover whore, you know what I'm saying? But she was fine, she was pretty classy, seems classy. So, you know what I'm saying? She seemed like someone you could wife up, but yeah, man. Real dope. That was dope. Yeah, man, guys. But he chose Black. Black seemed fun and down to earth, you know what I'm saying? And she got that bad gas. Like, yeah, man. I'm pretty sure either one of them, you know what I'm saying? Naked is fine as shit, but the first one, dog, oh my god, from Sierra Leone, bro. Nah, that's wifey right there, bro. That was wifey right there. You know what I'm saying? But you already know what time it is, guys. Let me know what you think about that one. That was Beta Squad. Dating girls based on the blind dating girls based on their outfits. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. You already know what time it is, guys. Go ahead, leave that like and subscribe on your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.